two top hosting providers, SiteGround and DreamHost, take the spotlight. Which one truly stands out? On one side we have SiteGround, known for speed and reliability. On the other, DreamHost, famous for its flexibility and value. Let's put the hype aside and dig into what really matters. We'll compare them across key categories, awarding points as we go so you know exactly who comes out ahead. The winner might just surprise you. Okay, before we dive in, here's a mind map of what we're comparing. We'll look at price, performance and uptime, scalability and hosting types, security, features and ease of use, server locations, and finally, support. So stay with me and let's see who wins where. Let's kick things off with price. SiteGround honestly isn't a bad deal. You get competitive entry pricing and they're pretty straight up about renewal rates. But here's the thing, DreamHost undercuts them. We're talking a rock-bottom starting price like $2.59 a month, and you even get a free domain for your first year. That's kind of wild, right? DreamHost definitely goes all out on affordability, even if the entry plan feels a little bare, but for wallets, DreamHost takes this round. Now, performance and uptime. This one gets spicy. SiteGround is genuinely fast, like an average 217 milliseconds response time fast. Plus, they've got servers on multiple continents and their inbuilt caching. That's a big yes. The 99.9% uptime guarantee is solid, and I've honestly seen them deliver even more in real-world tests. DreamHost, though, they claim a 100% uptime guarantee, which sounds almost too good. And their actual uptime is just a hair higher than SiteGround. But all their servers, they're in the USA, and response time slightly slower at 231 milliseconds. So unless you're strictly US-focused, SiteGround's got the performance edge. Winner, SiteGround. Next up, scalability and hosting types. Here, where DreamHost flexes, and honestly it's kind of impressive. They have shared hosting, VPS, dedicated servers, WordPress-specific plans, all the things. Unlimited traffic on most plans too. SiteGround, they've got shared managed WordPress, WooCommerce, and cloud, but if you want full VPS or a dedicated server, you're kinda out of luck. So if you see yourself upgrading later or need serious horsepower, DreamHost walks away with this one. Oh, and here's something cool. Did you know the very first website ever? It's still online, and fun fact, it was hosted out of CERN in Switzerland. Web hosting really does have some wild history moments. Let's talk security. Both companies give you free SSL, which is great. But SiteGround is just loaded with security features, 24/7 monitoring, anti-bot systems, daily backups, and their own security plugin. DreamHost does fine, they back up automatically and you get the basics out of the box. Some features like advanced protections are gated behind pricier plans, which, isn't my favorite. So if you're all about keeping things locked down, SiteGround's on top here. Features and ease of use. SiteGround shines, honestly. Their control panel is super clean. You get free daily backups and easy restores, staging tools for when you want to test site changes, all that jazz. Plus, inviting collaborators, effortless. DreamHost isn't bad. You get a decent control panel, unlimited storage and bandwidth, free website builder, solid stuff for the price. But the extras like staging and collaboration just aren't there. SiteGround wins in features and usability. Server locations? Oh, this is almost unfair. SiteGround has data centers basically everywhere, the US, Europe, Asia, Australia, so your site's visitors, closer to a server, faster loads, easy. DreamHost, everything's in the States. That's fine if your audience is local, but globally, not so much. SiteGround sweeps this category. Support. SiteGround has a great support reputation, 24/7 across pretty much every channel, and they're fast. DreamHost offers 24/7 too, and their knowledge base is genuinely helpful, but here's the catch. If you're on a basic plan, live chat support is limited to business hours. That can be a real headache if you need help off hours, so another point for SiteGround. Let's take a quick look at how these two stack up side by side. As you can see, SiteGround dominates in performance, security, advanced features, global reach, and support. DreamHost really owns price and gives you more room to scale with advanced server types. Alright, wrapping things up. If you want top-notch speed, security, premium features, or care about serving visitors around the world, SiteGround is honestly the way to go. But if you need to stretch your budget or you're running a site just for US folks and want that easy scaling later, I'd look at DreamHost. but for most people, SiteGround comes out on top. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link given in video description. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.